We are pleased to show you the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, tire pressure monitor. Come see the car for yourself.